Hi my friends, I am so happy that you are watching my video. Today we will talk about traveling to Germany. I will repeat each word in German so that you can repeat the word with me. So let's start. But first, please if you like my video, give a like and subscribe to my channel. And let's start. Traveling to Germany. And we have travel guide, Reiseführer, Reiseführer. Travel abroad, Auslandsreise, Reisen ins Ausland, Reisen ins Ausland. Passport, Reisepass, Reisepass. Travel accident insurance, Reiseunfallversicherung, Reiseunfallversicherung. Travel expenses, Reisekosten, Reisekosten. Travel agency, Reiseagentur, Reiseagentur. Reisebüro, Reisebüro. Suitcase, der Koffer, der Koffer. Travel agent, Reisebüro Kaufmann, Reisebüro Kaufmann. Die Reisebüro Kauffrau, die Reisebüro Kauffrau. Travel brochure, Reiseprospekt, Reiseprospekt. Let's go on. And we have ticket, die Fahrkarte, die Fahrkarte. Travel costs, Reisekosten, Reisekosten. Travel destination, Reiseziel, Reiseziel. Travel diary, Reisetagebuch, Reisetagebuch. Reservation, die Reservierung, die Reservierung. Travel expense report, Reisekostenabrechnung, Reisekostenabrechnung. Travel industry, Reisebranche, Reisebranche. Business travel, Geschäftsreise, Geschäftsreise. Travel companion, Reisebegleiter, Reisebegleiter. Travel sickness, Reisekrankheit, Reisekrankheit. Frequent traveler, Vielreisender, Vielreisender. Department for Travel Expenses, Reisekostenstelle, Reisekostenstelle. Thank you for watching my video and hope to meet again on YouTube very soon. Bye and thank you very much.